Greetings all. Welcome to the episode number 47 of Monday Morning Motivation, and the topic for today is importance of festivals. This entire week, at least in India, people are celebrating the Durga Puja and Navaratri, and this has created so many positive vibe in me. I thought I will share that with you in this week's message. So three things what festivals brings to us as a human being, which is most needed for us. The first one is it promotes emotional well-being. Okay, so during this entire festive period, there is joy, excitement, a sense of belonging, and what it does to us is it reduces stress and boosts mental health. I'm very sure you all will agree. You all are in a kind of excitement and joy because you are meeting a lot of people. A lot of positive is being spread, right? So the first one is festives promotes emotional well-being. Second thing is it encourages generosity and sharing. Okay, because of this festival, we are now sharing and caring. We are inviting our family, we are inviting our friends, and we are offering something to them. It creates and nurtures kindness, compassion, and altruism, right? So festives encourages generosity and sharing. And the third important thing is festivals create memories and joy, right? Last few days I've been spending time with my friends and relatives and close circle. They all come home and we spend a lot of time. Some of them we meet only once in a year. This creates a lot of memory and happiness, and that's where the bonding comes into picture, right? So as a human being, friends, as a Monday morning motivation, it's not only our career, money, and wealth. Of course, those things are important, but this emotional well-being, having this generosity and sharing and creating great memories and joy is very important to our life. And that's why I love festivals, and I'm sure you all love festivals. Let's celebrate this festival and have a great life. Thank you, and see you next week.